I told that nigga, he got me fucked up, nigga. I said he got me bitch, cause you're not finna sit there.
Hey, chill, bro, chill. Hey, chill.
What the
Bro,
fuck,
chill,
nigga?
bro.
You're not finna come around here with that fucking
Bro, you
disease and
tripping,
shit.
bro.
Nigga, you know that disease going around, the heterosexual homophobia and shit,
What
man.
shit you talking
The
about, bro?
homophobia, sexual, the disease,
That's
nigga.
not even what it's called.
What it's called, whatever it's called, you're not finna come over here with that
You
disease,
tripping,
nigga.
bro,
Not
it's
finna
a
get sick.
sneeze, bro.
Nigga, a sneeze could be a disease. Nigga. I'm gonna light your ass like the 4th of July, nigga.
Hey, no, you tripping, dog.